We chose to run. I don't think you ever Smooth R&B. Hey guys, I am having a little lunch today. I went out to a local eatery called Darla Seafood in my area. So that's what we're going to have today. This is leading up to Mother's Day week. Happy Mother's Day, all the moms. I'll come back and do a little something special for us. But yeah, join me for this mukbang. I always forget the drinks. So my mom loves ginger ale. So they had this one with lemonade. I have ice water. And let's see if we can eat a little something together. All right, they're known for these crab battered shrimp. I like to dip mine in their hot sauce vinegar, a little concoction. Pretty good. Here. Mmm. All right. It's so hot. I just purchased it. I called it in. I'm sorry. I don't like to talk with my mouth full. Okay. I got this from my mom. Sorry. It's tilapia, hush puppies, and fries. She probably won't eat the fries, but it comes with. Olivia's at school, so she or my other daughter would have gladly eaten the fries. I have my own fries, so don't need extra. But here's my hot sauce. They put in these little carry-out containers. And I want you to have some with your shrimp. This is how Nicole likes it. It's a little messy. I'm dressed in my business attire today. There's the hot sauce. I can't eat fried crabs. I'm allergic to the shellfish. But this makes me feel like I'm eating fried crabs because battered dipped shrimp. Kind of reminds you like of a buffalo style. It is hot to texture because it was just cooked. But yeah, riding along, listening to some local R&B music. I love music. It's in my soul. So yeah, I don't own the rights to any of that music. I think Tyrese was playing first, and then SWV, my 90s group. Love 90s music. Yeah, so just having fun, out and about to take my mom her hot lunch. We're starting our Mother's Day celebration early. Sunday, upcoming Sunday is Mother's Day, and I'm sure it's going to be busy everywhere. I normally go to church. I don't think I'm going to church because I was invited somewhere. So I'm a faithful church member, so I'm going to skip church this time. But we do have online services, and I can always go back and watch it online. Also, I love serving in our ministry. So I don't have to serve this week. I think I serve the following Sunday. So I'll be back then. And I think actually she has me down for Wednesday night too. We have Wednesday night services in house. So yeah, so I'm going to skip Mother's Day. Yeah, I still love them. But if another mother wants to go, because some mothers that I've invited before, all of a sudden they're like, oh, you going to church? So if they want to go, I will take them. I won't skip church if they want to be my guest for the day. So I guess it's up in the air. Yeah. How can I say no to a first time visitor? But anyway, anywho, um, thank you for joining me today. This seafood lunch is delicious. Wish you could have some. I did share some with you. And some ginger ale lemonade. Have you ever had that before? I hope my mom will like it. So I will see you again soon. Mwah, smooches. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.